Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making some Puerto Rican meatballs my way, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have my ground beef, I have whole milk, some green olives, a pack of sazón, black pepper, some peeled garlic, I have 1 large egg, 1 onion, I have oil, water, some panko seasoned breadcrumbs, I have homemade sofrito, I have a can of tomato sauce, some parsley, garlic powder, adobo, and of course I have cilantro. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is add my ground beef to the bowl. Okay. I'm also going to add my pack of sazón. Just like that. I'm also going to add my black pepper. I'm adding my parsley. I'm adding my garlic powder. I'm also adding my adobo. And I'm also adding some sofrito. Now with my clean hands, I'm going to come and mix everything well. Okay? Because you want it to be really flavorful. Okay? So we're going to keep mixing this a little bit. Now I'm going to add my milk. Just like that. And my panko breadcrumbs. Okay. I'm also going to add half of the onion that I chopped. And now I'm going to mix everything together. Okay. And I will have the amount that I'm using and what I'm using in my description below. Okay, so you just want to mix, make sure everything is blended. You can eat this with white rice or spaghetti or plain. I'm making mine with white rice today. Okay. Now what I'm going to come and do is make our meatballs. Okay, so I just take a little bit. You can take as much as you want, as little, whatever size you want it. And we're just going to create our meatball. Okay, I'm making mine this size. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that I'm done rolling up my meatballs, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is put my flames to a medium. I'm going to add my oil. And I'm going to wait a few seconds just so it can get nice and hot. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start adding my meatballs. Just like this. Okay, so now that I have all my meatballs in my pot, I'm just going to cook them enough that it gets golden brown on each side. Okay guys, so my meatballs has been cooking on one side for 5 minutes. Now what I'm going to come and do is just start flipping it over, so the other side can start cooking. See the brownness? That's what we want. Now that they all flipped over, we're going to cook this for 5 more minutes. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to come and do is I'm going to start removing them and put them in a separate bowl, okay? Now in the same oil, I'm going to come and add my onions. My garlic. And I'm going to mix it around. Now I'm going to add my sofrito. And mix. smelling so delicious. Now I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. And mix. I'm also going to add some parsley and adobo. I'm also going to add some green olives, it's optional, and I'm going to mix. I'm also going to add some fresh cilantro and mix. Now I'm going to add some water and mix. Now I'm going to come and I'm going to add my meatballs. Just like this. Okay. Mix it really good. We're gonna leave it on medium heat. And we're gonna cover. And we're gonna cook this for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 15 minutes. I'm just gonna mix it around. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. It smells so good. Okay. Now we're gonna recover it. Low down the flames just a little bit and continue cooking. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes. I just want to show you. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'm just gonna give it one more mix. I'm going to turn off the flames. And this is ready to serve. Look at that. Okay guys, so look at how beautiful this is. You see that? Can't wait to eat it. I just want to cut into one so you can see how the inside of it looks. Okay? Look at this. Can you see that? Look at how good. Oh my goodness. Like always, I want to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave it below. I will have the amount that I'm using and what I'm using in my description. And like always, have a blessed day and enjoy.